Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. To my returning subscribers, I'm gonna say thank you for always coming back to watch the videos on my channel. Yeah, your love keeps me going. Thank you so much. The comments as well. Yeah. So today I'm in the banana orchard, like I said before. I'm gonna start weeding. Yeah, you can see in the background that there's a lot of weeds in the bananas. Just look from this side. So you can just see how the weeds have grown. Yeah. So I'm gonna start weeding today. I'm gonna start weeding. Then I'll just show you. Anyway, let me just walk around and see how the weed. So much weeds in the bananas. Yeah. Just look at the weeds, and the bananas are really growing so well. They're growing so well. There's a lot of weeds, and it's not only the bananas, yeah, but it's the sugar canes as well. Yes, rain season. That's what rain season is all about. Wait, yeah. Rain season is all about weeding. Weeding. So join me as I start to weed the banana orchard. Don't forget guys to subscribe, like, share, comment, let me know where you're watching from. And yeah, also help me to put up those watch hours. Watch the video fully, watch the video up to the end so that we may add up to those watch hours. Yeah, I really appreciate it guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. Let's start weeding. Ndakuja konsi kwapa bem. Ndakukopa kwapa kuri kuri. Nakanza kwetu naona kuboya kwetu kuri. Nilaundi. Sasa ni sasa. Sasa ni sasa. Sasa ndio hivi. Unapenda pavuka kutoka tunauza Mamba. Hello guys. So we are planting beans today. We're off at the bananas. We need to continue with the beans, then we'll go back and start doing it. So continue watching as we are planting the beans. Nikaleka mzaiti kuzai ambisi kwani kama space ya siri anchi kuzai nitapata ya siri space.
maximum.
So we just specify 5 minutes.
Oh.
Kazanza manini ngoja. Ngoja na misa.
Yaani wakinijia pale mwanzo lakini ni sawa, hai rahisi. Anaweza na kumisa hata ni report story. Lakini sawa. Ni sawa. Ai kwanza. Bogu ile phone tu.
Hello guys. So um last video I was showing you when we're planting the beans. Yeah, like I said, we're still planting. But anyway, today we've not planted anything. We've not planted anything because we're just waiting for the guys to make more ridges. Yeah, we have to give them time to make more ridges, otherwise the first plantation that we did of the beans has already sprout out. Yeah, so these ridges on my background that you see have not been planted yet. Yeah, they're still making ridges. All this part needs to be planted. We're gonna continue planting. We just want the guys to move on to make more ridges so that when we start planting we do not stop right now. Just see how good the source of trees are looking. I just love how clean and neat the ridges are being made. Yeah, let me just show you how grown the beans. Sorry, the Zambian in me is making me speak the wrong English. Let me just show you how the beans has grown. Yeah, just a minute. So guys, this is what I was telling you, that the beans is really grown. It's really looking good. The shootings are really good as well. As you can see, still shooting. Yeah, so this was our first field that we planted. It's reaching up to here. Yeah, this is the demarcation of the first plantation. Yeah, so from that side, let me just zoom in. Yeah, all this part, all this part. Yep, all this part. So this was the first plantation. This is where the demarcation is of the first plantation. So we've got two types of beans. Yeah, so the second plantation is in here. Yeah, you can see some of it has already started sprouting now. Yeah, so yeah, this is a second plantation. I don't know where the demarcation is, but somewhere that side. Yeah, so we're gonna continue that side when the guys make more ridges. We do not want to continue stopping, waiting for them to make ridges. We'd prefer for them to make more ridges so that when we start planting, we do not stop. We just plant and just forget about it and move on and do something else. Like I said, I need to go back to the bananas. I'm sure the grass has really grown in the bananas. Just know how much I love the bananas. I really love cleaning the bananas. It's a beautiful orchard indeed. Yeah, so this is how the beans is looking for now. Really looks good. I love how it's looking. Auntie, we pass this side, not this side. We walk round. Okay. Yeah, so this is how the beans is looking, guys. And the maize. The maize is starting to look a bit dry because it stopped raining. It stopped raining. Yeah. So guys, this is how the maize looks like. Yeah, those are stopped raining. But the maize is doing quite fine, I should say. We just need 2 more rains. But here, it really didn't do good. Here. Just the grass. That's what rain season is all about, the grass. But I hate the grass though. hate walking in the grass. Just gonna walk in the maze just for my own safety. Oh, maze, ka? This part of the maze really it hasn't really done all that good. Doesn't look all that good. It didn't go. I didn't expect it to be this bad. It's not all that good. The okra as well. We've been sunning the okra. It's very gone. Just look how good the okra looks. I need to see where I'm stepping before I get in the field. It looks so healthy, but this one's already hard, so these are just going to be left for the seeds. Yeah, I'm gonna make seeds. Why is okra looks fresh? But still, they may order muno. There's a lot of okra here. Okay. So most of these are just gonna be left for seeds. Okay. So this is the field of okra, guys. There's a lot of okra. There's a lot of okra in here. This is what rainy season is all about. Grass. Things in the field. Green. The maize is doing good on this side. The crops look okay now. Just need a bit of more rains, then maize is good. The maize will be good. The maize will be okay. Eish! Almost falling down. This place looks scary. It's a grass. Like I said, the bananas, yeah, the grass has already grown again. This is just way too much. It's way too much. I've not finished on the other side. It's just that, there's so much to do. Not finished on the other side. The grass has already started growing here. Oh my god. That's what rain season is all about. You just stay away for a day. Yeah. The grass is like, let's show you what we're made of. Otherwise, the bananas have really grown. This is a real orchard now. The sugar canes as well, they need to be cleared. The weeds. Gosh. Yeah. So we cleared this part. But given this, if we'd come back for a week, all this would be cleared, yeah, but still stuck on the beans, stuck on something else. Otherwise, the bananas are very brown. It's looking nice. And there are a lot of suckers as well. So there'll be no need of buying this type of banana, the Sweet Williams, because we've got enough, more than enough suckers. You can see here, all these are suckers. This is the main banana. All these are suckers, about 4 suckers. And yeah, so there's no need of buying Sweet William bananas. We just need another type of bananas, like the Cavendish bananas and what other type is that of bananas, whatever. Yeah, so guys, yeah, I miss my field of bananas waiting. I hope we can finish the beans as soon as possible so that we may get back here the bananas. Yeah, so today I'm just taking a walk at the farm to just check out how the crops and plants are. So keep on joining with me, keep on walking with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. As I'm walking through as I'm walking through the bush. Okay, as usual guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Help your girl put up those watch hours. Help me put up those watch hours like you helped me to reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for your love. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, so now we reach on the other side of the field, whereby this place looks like I don't know if it's the soil. I don't know what the problem is, but the maize didn't really do good at all. It is really bad, very bad. I don't even lie to myself, it's very bad. Doesn't done, almost say doomed. It hasn't done well, yeah, doesn't done well on this part. But on the other side, it looks better. It looks way better. Huh? Yeah, so this is part of the maize, the other field on the other side. So just getting away from the maize, we're gonna check on the soya beans. Yeah, gonna check on the soya beans. Every time when I'm taking a walk at the farm, I really get tired. It's like you're walking from another place to another different place, but it's just one and the same place. It's the farm. Okay, so just landed ourselves in the soybeans. This part as well, the soybeans hasn't done well. This part, the soybeans hasn't done well. I won't lie. I won't lie to myself, that's doing well. Nope. This part did not catch properly. Yeah, as you can see, there's so much gaps, so many spaces, so many gaps, a lot of gaps. Just here beans, a lot of gaps. Only this part is where it looks way better. It did catch in here. Yeah, otherwise most of the places just gaps and didn't do quite well. On this end, but from that side, as you can see how green it is, it looks so good and healthy. Let's walk to the greener part, to the better side. Let's walk to the better side. I'm already tired. I'm so tired. So tired. I'm almost falling on myself. I thought on this side the mess is gonna be better, but I don't know. Even looks worse. Even looks worse. Maze looks worse on this side. It really hasn't done good. It's really not doing well. The maize is not doing well at all. I don't know what's the problem this year. This year, yeah, we're gonna have a poor harvest of maize. I don't know why. I don't know what is missing. Otherwise, it's different from last year. Last year we had. Is it because there was no maize in this part? There was sunflower. Otherwise, this is not good at all. I'm gonna have a poor harvest this year. So the soybeans as well starts from here. That's why it does really caught. Yeah, otherwise down there, no, there's nothing. Honestly speaking, there's nothing. Sorry guys, I keep on clearing my throat. Keep on clearing my throat. I've got sore throat. I want to say green is the soybeans really looks good from here. It really looks good. Very good. I like the breeze here. There's a cool breeze because it's like it's on the high part of the farm, not the high peak. Push. Or from the lower side to the upper side. To the upper side. There, people. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna say now it's bye bye from me. Until next time. I've just showed you how the farm looks like. Yeah, just updating you on how the crops are growing. So from now I'm gonna say it's bye bye. Until next time, God bless you all. Bye.